1 minute. No, this is not police station ka gate. Socho, what is this? Can you all see the screen? Children, y'all are not connecting the dots. Matlab, y'all are not linking to what this could be. Look at the logo. See, there are some things that you can see that you can already read. Socho, connect. Maya is again raising her hand. Yes, Maya.
Then is it Indian National Bazaar?
No, bacha, this has nothing to do with any bazaar. This has nothing to do with any bazaar. This has nothing to do with any bazaar. No taking help from anybody around you. This is grade 2. I don't want parents to answer, okay? Yes, Varushka.
Is it the batch where police put here and armies put
No, Baba.
on their shirt?
No, honey. No. Maya is again raising her hand. Yes, Maya. Another attempt.
Indian police station?
No, this has nothing to do with police. This has nothing to do with police. ना पुलिस है ना बाजार है. हाँ, पर इसके अंदर पुलिस भी रहती है और बाजार भी लगता है. क्या है
ये बोल रहा था कि ये it has to be eel. The first letter I can't see in Hindi, but it must be something letter eel Indian. Police Indian bazaar.
फिर से पुलिस. This has nothing to do with police. Any guesses? Yes, Maya. One more guess from Maya. Yes, Maya.
Is it Indian Navy?
This is not Indian Navy. This is not Indian Navy. Anybody else? Arey, Rajvi logged out. Okay. Yes, Reyansh.
Is it Indian Phoenix Mall?
Yeah. No. Yes, Maya.
Is it railways?
Okay. Now I'll give it to her. Now she finally guessed. She just got close. Yes, this is Indian Railways. Yes, this is Indian Railways. Okay. Now please tell me, none of you have traveled by train before? Who all have traveled by train in India? Everybody has traveled by train in India. See? When you enter the Indian railway station, you will see this logo. Even on the train, you will see this logo. This is why you must be observant. You must be observant. Tejas, what are you raising your hand for?
That I went when I was small, but I don't know. I didn't see this logo.
Excuse नहीं देने का. Excuse नहीं देने का. Okay. Everybody, we'll do the talking later. We are going to go on to the next screen. Okay, we are going to go on to the next screen. We'll do talking later. Like I said, taking from you all, I am going to have a new class session called Ideas. You all can come up with your ideas and we should see who we should take those ideas to. Okay, but we will do that later. Right now, we are in Ignite Intelligence. Let's ignite our intelligence. Who can tell me what logo is this? This again is an Indian initiative. Means the Indian government has come up with this thought to improve a lot of things in India. Reyansh is already raising his hand. Yes, Reyansh.
No, it doesn't make sense. जरा मुझे वापस म्यूट कर दो.
Okay, वापस आ जाना बाद में. ठीक है. Okay. चलो, सोचो. Observant. You have seen this on news. तुमने इस चीज को कोई गवर्नमेंट फंक्शंस में देखा है. ये न्यूज में भी आता रहता है. Even our honorable prime minister talks about it. Maya is raising her hand again. Okay, Reyansh, I'll come to you as well. Just give me a moment.
Is it made in India.
You're very close. I want the exact word. You're very close. I want the exact word. Maya has almost given the clue. Yes, Reyansh.
Is it the largest cricket stadium in India?
No. No. What is the name of the largest cricket stadium in India?
It's called. I forgot the name.
Oh,
the name.
it just got inaugurated last week. How can you forget the name? It just got inaugurated last week. Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Who will tell me which is the largest cricket stadium in India? It got inaugurated last week. Yes, yes, yes.
It's the Prime
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, is it Make in India?
It is Make in India. That's amazing. Yes, this logo is Make in India.
Never. Mommy, it's a lion.
This is a lion. This is the logo of Make in India. Yes, this is Make in India. Okay. Yes, Reyansh, bolo.
I've only been in India for like 2 years. So I've only been in India for like 3 years, 3 or 4 years. I have never seen this.
Honey,
That's why.
Honey, you know what? You know what? You have been in India for quite some time. However, even if you have been in India just for a couple of months, the need is to be observant wherever you are. No excuse. No excuse. No giving excuses. No giving excuses. Children must be aware. You are in India. You must be aware of it. That's about it. Reyansh, no excuse anymore. No more excuses, huh? Okay, I'm going to take a 2-minute break. Yes, Reyansh, what is the matter?
Never seen national India.
If we don't know something, that's absolutely okay. There's no need to be upset about not knowing something. What you're going to tell yourself, I did not know this. I'm not going to be upset. I'm going to take this time to learn. You're going to learn it without giving excuses. Am I clear? Am I understood? Can we move on? Yes? Thank you. Let's move on. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Ready? Ready for the next one? Children, this is for you to learn. This is for you to be observant. Going forward, I want you all to spot these logos when you go around. We live in India. We live in a proud country like India. Correct? Are we proud of our country or no? Yes? We need to be proud of our country. There is no possibility at all. Yes, I'm proud of my country is what you're always going to say. I am proud of my country. No ka koi choice hai kya isme? We live in this country. We got to be proud of our country. And while doing so, we need to know what the government is doing for us. थोड़े दिनों में हम और बड़ा होके यही सब तो देखेंगे ना. We have to be a part of these initiatives. So let's know it soon. Yes or no? चलो, विहान. 24 to 25 hours तुम्हें कन्वर्ट करना है. तुम पे बहुत बड़ा responsibility है. बहुत कुछ निभाना है तुमको. चलो 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 चलो. You need to know about all these logos. Make in India करोगे तो बहुत मजा आएगा. हम सब बहुत खुश हो जाएंगे. Okay, ये हमने देख लिया. We are going to the next one. Let me see if any of you have any identification if you have seen this. Yes, Vihan.
Is this some car fixing area?
Car fixing area nahi hai, but yes, this is a pencil and a spanner, but this is a logo for something to do with India. It's an Indian initiative. Yes, Reyansh.
Is it craft in India?
Craft in India. You're close. You're close. You're close. Come on, come on, come on. Craft को क्या बोलते हैं? See, now you're thinking.
Create
What?
in India.
Repeat.
Create in India. Create. Build in India.
Yes, Vihan. Then I'll come to Tejas. Yes.
I think this is also a subject what we do, creativity.
This is something to do with creation. We do it with our hands. It's called something.
It I think we use some.
Yes, Tejas.
Ma'am, is it art? Art?
No, see, remember children, it is a initiative by the Indian government. Okay, so you must think on those lines and come up with a closer answer. Yes, Reyansh.
Is it built in India? Something?
No, this is not build in India. Build in India. Build in India नहीं है. That's make in India. वो already हो चुका है. Children, we have another 2 minutes and then you have to go on your snack break. जल्दी जल्दी कोशिश करो. जल्दी कोशिश करो. Yes, Vihan. Vihan is again trying.
Make in India.
Make in India हो गया ना बच्चा. Make in India is on that lion, no?
Acha.
Abhi we did no Make in India. That was on the lion. Now this is a little more deeper into that topic. Rajvi, can you think? ये किस चीज का logo है? Okay, I'm going to open one more screen. One more attempt, yes. Vihan, yes.
I don't know if I can be correct because I'm looking. I don't know if I can be correct because I'm looking at the laptop. I'm thinking, is it some?
It's okay if you're not correct. We are all guessing here. No problem. You're here to learn. Come on, come on. Bolo, bolo, bindas bolo. What is here? What's coming on your mind?
It's wrong only.
Oh, bolo to sahi. Yes, Tejas. After that, I'll go to Maya. Yes, Tejas. Bolo, Tejas, open your mic.
That it is work in India.
Work in India. You're closer, you're closer, you're closer. Children, we need to know our India initiative logos. Yes, Maya. After Maya, I'll come to Reyansh. Yes, Maya. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Is it national work in India?
नेशनल वर्क इन इंडिया नहीं है ये, ऐसा कोई लोगो नहीं है. यस रेयांश.
Create with computer in India.
Create with computer in India. Interesting. You know, create with computer in India का क्या लोगो है? It is called Digital India. Okay? उसका लोगो अलग है. I will show you that later. ये क्या है? ये क्या है? ये क्या? चलो चलो सोचो सोचो, दिमाग को थोड़ा सा मसाज करो. यस विहान, फिर आ गए with a guess. बोलो.
This is something which is also in a mobile app.
This is there on your mobile app? Is it there? Have you seen?
I've not seen this type of thing. I've not seen this type of logo.
You have not? Okay.
I have also not seen the new things what government has made.
I know many of us must have not seen. Honey, you're just 7 or 8. No problem. But I want you to know it. That's the point. I want you to know it. We have to ignite our intelligence. No, that is this class. Yes, Maya has an answer. Yes, Maya, tell me.
It is Skills
What? What?
Skills India.
Maya, did you take help from someone? I think you took help from someone. Now I think you took help from someone. Yes, kids, this is Skill India. This is Skill India. Yes, this is Skill India. Now see how this logo is beautifully designed. It says, this is your hand. You could write, you could do any job, and now you can do that digitally as well. Isn't that interesting? Amazing, no? How the Indian government is coming up with beautiful ideas that we need to do everything in India. ये क्या हमेशा made in China, made in America सब लेना? We have to do it in India. So make in India, Skill India, Digital India, Khelo India, everything is India, India. Nice, no? Isn't that interesting? Yeah? Chalo, chalo. Now, children, snack break. Next time, I have few more logos. If any of your teacher is going to give me extra time, no, I'm going to come in and do our logo session with you all. Are you all having fun? Are you all having fun? Yes. Are you getting to learn something new? See, it is always nice to learn something new, right?
Ma'am.
You do not know it. Whether you're new in the country or you're old in the country, does not matter. But you're Indian. That's what matters. And if you are Indian, you must know everything to do with India. Correct?
Ma'am,
Yes, no?
that you can give us this only. This. Can you give us one more?
Sorry, Tejas, what did you say?
Can you give us this only logo in another class?
Okay, I will do that. Quickly get your snacks. Everybody quickly get your snacks. I'm opening up your mic. Everyone quickly get your snacks.
Can you give us just one last?
Okay, I will give you one more. I'll give you one more. जल्दी से snacks लेके आओ. अगर दो snacks खत्म किया.
Make it so tough. Very tough.
I should make it very tough. Okay, I'll make it very, very tough. Very nice. Thank you.
That will be enough for us one.
Yes, okay. मतलब अभी तो विहान ने से ऐसा एक दो कि बहुत ही टफ हो. चलो देखते हैं.
For us one easy. For them one difficult.
Honey, everybody, all your mics are open. Okay, sir is also waiting for his PT class. जल्दी जल्दी खाओ. जल्दी जल्दी खाओ. 2 मिनट में खाया तो ही मैं next slide खोलूंगी. Sir, 2 मिनट please. जल्दी जल्दी kids, जल्दी खाओ. See, it's nice when you want to learn more about India. That's very important. Very good. Fit India, healthy India, very good India. Yes, Varushka.
I'm already done with my snack.
You done with your snacks? You are super fast. Varushka, बाल को ऐसे माथे पे मत आने दो. Put it behind. Not good for your eyes, honey. Thank you.
Ma'am, can you open the one?
Ma'am, last year I had learned all this.
Okay. जल्दी खाओ.
What is that? Ryan, what is that?
Maya's finished her snacks. Jaldi. Reyansh, jaldi. Okay, I am starting the screen. This is again Indian government, huh? Let's open the mic for sir also. Let's see if sir is also able to answer this. Okay?
Yes.
This is for Indian government. Yes,
Ma'am,
Vasu.
it's Digital India. Ma'am, Shell.
Maya already answered this.
Digital India. Is it the logo of Shell?
Open.
Digital India. I told.
Whoever said it, Reyansh, तुमने बोला हो या माया ने बोला हो, the impressive point is you children knew it. That is what is more important. He said
Put one more.
तो ये
This
पता
was a
चला, that is
simple
more
one.
important. क्या विहान?
इस और को भी एक चांस दो. ये सिंपल
सर को भी एक चांस दो. ये बराबर है यार. ये तो
one
बराबर
more.
बात.
One more.
ये तो बराबर बात है कि सर को भी एक चांस
एक और कर दो. हमको एक और दिखा दो.
रेयांश slow claps which means good job. तुम बोले मैं अभी इंडिया में आया हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता, बट बताओ तुम्हें डिजिटल इंडिया का लोगो पता चल गया?
मुझे ऐसे ही पता चल गया. ये डिजिटल
तुम दोनों too much हो. हाँ, this is called
मुझे पहले पता है क्या. मुझे सोच रही थी ये डिजिटल इंडिया क्या है. गूगल.
डिजिटल इंडिया गूगल नहीं है रे.
हाँ, मुझे भी पता है.
Google is not digital India. Digital India means, now listen to me quickly. What is digital India? Digital India means that in today's times, whenever you go to anything to do with the government, everything is digitized. Matlab, everything can be done without paperwork. You can use one. All of us have Aadhaar card. हम सबके पास आधार कार्ड है. Yes, हम सबके पास अपना आधार कार्ड है. Yeah, or we have our passport. Yeah, just with that document, most of the work can get done. Now, tell me how many of you, listen to me. How many of you have seen your parents sit at home on the phone or on the laptop and make payments for groceries? Yeah, make electricity.
My father and mother Aadhaar card.
Make electricity bill payment. हाँ, घर पे बैठ के करते हैं हम. Yeah, have you seen your parents do credit card or bank payments? घर पे बैठ के, या घर पे बैठ के करते हैं. Okay. Have you also seen your parents? Have you also seen your parents operate their own bank account sitting in the house?
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Yes. Yes. You all have seen Paytm, Phone Pay, है ना? ये सब देखा है ना तुमने? Yes. अब क्या करते हैं? When we go to a shop, we just keep our phone like this, and the payment gets done. Correct? Yes. This is digital India. This is called digital India. In today's time, the very fact that we can go anywhere in India and not have to take out cash and give it to somebody, but can just use our phone and make payments. That is called digital India.
I use Google payment.
That's digital India. India is allowing you to use internet and connecting you from this to make your payments. That is called digital India. Okay, just having internet and Wi-Fi and phone is not digital India. Being able to make transactions, पैसे का लेन देन, पैसे का transaction, paying someone, getting money from someone, sitting in the house and doing it. How many of you know that your school fee has been paid by your parents online? Yes, you know that. Did your parents have to come to the school to come and make the school fee payment? No, they did it online. No, see, that is digital India. That is called digital usage. Yes, Reyansh. Bolo Reyansh.
Mother and father, they went to a shop and they used their phone, they hovered it over a QR code, and then they just see who to pay to, and then they write how much money they want to pay, and it gets paid into their bank account.
Children, if you have noticed, there is a QR code on your textbooks also. If you have your Hindi, Marathi, or see, I have a grade 6 biology textbook. See, we have a QR code on our biology textbook also. You have such QR codes on your textbooks also.
Ma'am, I have on my book. Ma'am, look.
See, अब समझ में आया what is digital India?
Ma'am, look.
अब समझ में आया what is digital India? Yes, 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 children. Yes, yes, yes. See?
Another one.
See, this is called digital India. That you can sit in the house and one click and so many things can be done. This is digital India. Hey, if I do one more, listen to me, listen to me, listen to me. If I do one more of this, no, then PT class नहीं हो पाएगा. This is all unfair, हाँ? बड़े हैं तो difficult होना चाहिए, छोटे हैं तो
मैं भी कर सकती हूँ.
Maya, this is not nice. Don't do all these things. हमको भी easy चाहिए.
Ma'am, do you know teacher is putting grapes here and we're like
So you don't repeat that, please. Okay. So this is something to do for sports. Okay, let me see. I've already given you a clue. Let me see if you all can guess it. Now everybody's mic will be on mute so you all can focus, and whoever knows the answer will guess it. You will raise your hand and you will wait your turn. We know the rule, right? You'll raise your hand and wait your turn. Come on, everybody back to your seat. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Let's see who can guess this. First slide is open. इसी में guess होना चाहिए कि इस लोगो का नाम क्या है. रेयांश.
Oh, I forgot. Sorry.
क्या?
Is it?
No asking parents around, huh? Definitely no asking parents around.
I can't remember. Sorry.
Okay. Moving on. Oh dear. Tejas raised his hand. After I have to go to sir. Sir is the third one who raised his hand. Yes, Tejas.
Sir, means ma'am, that is it Indian Rail?
No,
Yes.
honey, Indian Rail तो कर लिया ना हमने. We just did Indian Rail some time ago. ये Indian Rail नहीं है. Sir is the third one. After this, I'll go to Vihan.
ओके मैम स्पोर्ट्स के रिलेटेड है ना लोगो. ओके मुझे लगता है खेलो इंडिया का लोगो है वो.
Full marks to sir. Full marks to sir.
यस.
Full marks to sir. Full marks to sir. That was amazing. That was amazing. ग्रीन कलर का इतना सा एक रेक्टेंगल देख के, सॉरी ट्रायंगल देख के सर ने बोल दिया ये खेलो इंडिया है. जे बात, ये है हमारे स्पोर्ट्स के सर. क्लैप फॉर सर, एवरीवन क्लैप फॉर सर. गुड जॉब, गुड जॉब, गुड जॉब, गुड जॉब, गुड जॉब, वेरी नाइस. अब मैं ऐसा कुछ एक लोगो लेके आने वाली हूँ जो तुम लोगों को मैं सिर्फ एक ट्रायंगल दिखाऊंगी एंड यू शुड बी एबल टू गेस. लेट मी सी कि कितनों को आता है. गिव मी वन मोमेंट, लेट मी पुल अप एग्जैक्टली दैट लोगो. I need to check where is that one. बस वो लोगो निकाल के दिखाऊंगी कि बस इतना सा तुम्हें दिखेगा और तुम बताओगे कि ये क्या है. अब तुम बोलोगे कि सर को इजी वाला दिया. हाँ, अब चलो तुमको भी दिखाती हूँ. आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ. सर वो क्या कहते हैं, आ जाओ मैदान में. चलो. अरे विहान स्क्रीन तो खोलने दो, रुक जाओ. अच्छा, you want to say something? Okay. Say.
Cricket India.
No, re Baba. Khelo India was the logo that sir already identified. That's over. Now let me open the logo, na. Hey, wait.
Stadium.
I'm going to open the logo. Chota sa, and you're going to tell me which one is this. Let me see how many of you know it. I'm only going to open this much triangle. Let me see how many of you guess it. इतना ही मैंने sir को भी दिया था. Tejas has raised his hand first.
Ma'am, is it a mall one?
No, this is not mall.
Give it to some. Vihan. I want to tell. Is this? I'm forgetting what I wanted to tell. Is this some farmer supermarket? Arya Mall. Is this Arya Mall?
This is no mall. This is not a mall. One clear guess. This thing clue I'll give you. This is not a mall. This is not an India initiative. This has nothing to do with India. But crores of children always check on this. 1 minute. Maya has raised her hand. Then I'll go to Reyansh. Maya has raised her hand. Then it is Reyansh. Then Vihan.
Is this game store or play store? Something like that? Huh?
What is this?
That looks like. Wait. Is that Play Store?
Maya is a god. Maya is a god.
Okay, cool. अब तो मान गए. इतने से ट्रायंगल से समझ में आ गया. मान गए भाई, मान गए. अब sir, can we continue please? Sir, can we continue please? Yes, okay. चलो. Now I'm going to show you something else.
मैम इससे पता चलता है कौन ज्यादा प्ले स्टोर यूज करता है.
Okay. Now I am going to 1 minute. I need to get that particular one to see if you all can identify this. 1 minute. I have to hide it from you guys. You all are just too observant around yourself. You all are just too observant. So I really need to know मैं क्या लेके आ रही हूँ क्लास में. आधे से ज्यादा को तो इतना समय दिखाती हूँ तो सब पता चल जाता है. So I'm really going to check what is it that I'm going to show now. Let me see how many of you can guess this. Let me see how many of you can get this. Yes, Rajvi, join the class. Ready? Everybody ready? Chalo. Oops, Reyansh already has raised his hand. Yes, Reyansh.
Is this Domino's?
No. Down. Da, 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 da. Come on. Okay. Yes, Vihan.
Dominoes.
अरे अभी तो बोला not Domino's.
I did not hear.
Oh.
Blue. मैम हिंट चाहिए थोड़ी सी.
अच्छा hint दे दूं. This is an electronic gadget.
Oh.
Reyansh.
Nintendo.
No. एक बार में एक guess because then I have to go to somebody else. Okay. Reyansh again. Okay.
Is this the PS4?
No.
PS5,
No.
PS6,
Nope.
PS7, PS8. कोई भी PS से है क्या?
No, you can just say PlayStation. Then I will even consider 1 to 100. No problem. But this is not PlayStation.
Electronic gadget.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट है. उस गैजेट का ब्रांड है. Come on, अब तो आना चाहिए. Many of you must be having this as well. Vihan.
Is it the clothes thing where we make it hot and thing?
Duh. I said this is electronic gadget. Duh. How can it become clothes thing? Duh. Yes, Varushka.
Geo.
No, this is the name of an electronic brand. Means you would have a phone or a laptop or a tab or something with this name. Vihan, then Reyansh.
Draw scale.
No.
It's an.
Reyansh.
Is it HP? Sims? I know Vivo. HP?
No. Hey, no, अभी पूरा list देगा क्या? Oi. Come on, Rajvi, make attempts. Rajvi, तुम्हारा आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा है. Make an attempt. कोई तो नाम guess करो. Okay, this is taking time. Okay, one last chance to Vihan.
Will you give us extra hint?
Extra help.
Okay. इसके बाद मैं एक और लोगो करने वाली हूँ. So I'm going to open this. Okay, since Rajvi has raised her hand, I must give a chance to Rajvi. Yes, Rajvi.
It's Oppo.
No, honey.
Samsung.
Now everybody will say Samsung. Now everybody will say it's Samsung. Now everybody, see, some of you even have Samsung laptop, some of you even have Samsung phone, and still you all सोचते रह जाते हो क्या है. अभी मैं एक Indian logo लेके आने वाली हूँ. Okay, one Indian logo. Okay, let me just check where is that. India वाला initiative है, जरा check करूँ कहाँ पे है. मुझे 1 minute दे देना. I will quickly pull it up. Got it. It is on my slide number 11. Okay. I'm not sure if I did this in the class earlier, but I'm going to do it now. If I've already done it earlier, no worries. It's just revision. Ready? Everyone ready?
Yes.
Reyansh raised his hand first, then I will go to Vihan. Oi, after raising your hand and I open your mic, don't start thinking. You're supposed to think and come up with an answer. Then raise your hand. Okay, Maya is raising her hand, but first I'll go to Vihan and then go to Maya. Yes, Vihan.
I want to tell, is this some seasons? No, it's I think we are I think I've done this before. It must be some specs.
I'm going to go to Rajvi. Yes, Rajvi.
It's Swachh Bharat. I have
Yes,
only done
Swachh
this.
Bharat.
I have only done this
Yes,
answer.
we did this in our last class. I was just checking if you all remember or no. Good job. Good job, kids. Good job. Very good job. Very good job. Very good. Very good. Okay, good. Good.
I wanted to tell that word.
See, that's
I
okay.
already know it.
Yeah, that's okay. No worries. Most of us know. Most of us don't remember. That's okay. Okay. Done. आज के लिए काफी है. Enough. Enough. आज के लिए enough. Yes. No. Reyansh, what are you trying to tell me? बस हो गया?
One more.
ऐसे तो आज पीटी का क्लास होगा ही नहीं.
आगे मुझे लगता है आगे भी क्लास नहीं हो पाएंगे शायद. ओनली 1 करके ऐसे 12 o'clock.
11:08 हो रहा है. It's 11:08.
हाँ भाई 11:08 हो रहा है. पीटी का क्लास खत्म होने का टाइम हो रहा है.
No PT. Halalala. No
Hey.
PT.
Hey. क्या किया जाए? क्या किया जाए? One last sir आज पीटी के क्लास को हम खा जाएं प्लीज.
ओके मैम लेकिन अभी उनको स्पोर्ट्स का होगा तो दिखाइए. मतलब देखते अगर चेक करते.
स्पोर्ट्स का चलिए. ओके डन. एक है मेरे पास. देखते किसको कितना स्पोर्ट्स आता है. हाँ, किसने कितना ध्यान से देखा है. ऑल राइट. ओके आई एम शेयरिंग. ओके 1 minute. एक मिनट. रेडी क्लास रेडी.
मुझे पता चल गया है.
रेयांश.
Is this the largest cricket stadium? Narendra Modi?
No,
Arey,
this is
not
not the largest
stadium.
cricket stadium. But you're kind of close. That's all I can give as clue right now. Come on,
मुझे
kids.
पता चल गया है आंसर.
हाँ, come on, kids. चलो. रेयांश.
Is it the Olympiad Cricket Stadium?
No. Okay, I'm going to give the clue that this is no
Tejas.
stadium. This is no stadium.
तेजस लोगोकडे नीट बघ. तुला माहिती आहे आन्सर.
Come on, girls, buckle up. इतना समय दिखाऊंगी तो अभी तक तुमको पता चल जाना चाहिए था.
वो कौन सा लोगो है? ध्यान से देखो.
Once again, Reyansh.
Is it a hair salon?
Duh. This is something to do with sports, man. Sir said to do with sports, right? So I said, yes, I will open up a sports item. How can this be hair salon? Come on. Hair salon hota to abhi tak Rajvi and Varushka would have guessed it. No, Maya also. This is not hair salon. But come on, girls. Why don't you all know this? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि स्पोर्ट्स है तो फिर गर्ल्स ऐसे सोचते बैठेंगे. You must be aware of everything. चलो. You have seen this all the time. ये टीवी में आते रहता है. लेफ्ट देखो राइट देखो यही आता है टीवी में.
यहाँ पे होता है लोगो. वो लोगो यहाँ पे होता है. यहाँ पे.
Ma'am, it's like this. The body is like this, and the legs are also spread.
No, this is a logo of something to do with sports. No.
Not a tree logo.
यहाँ पे होता है लोगो, यहाँ पे दिखाई देता है
Vihan,
हमेशा।
any
आप
idea?
जब
Tejas is raising his hand. Yes, Tejas.
Ma'am, is it a cricket team or football team logo?
Sorry, what did you say? Be
Like it
clear,
is
honey.
cricket team logo or football team logo?
Now, if you're going to ask me to, choose from one of it, I will not do that. You have to give me one guess. ये क्रिकेट है कि लोगो है, फुटबॉल है कि हॉकी है कि टेनिस है, ऐसे पूछोगे तो मैं आंसर नहीं दूंगी. I'm not going to give those answers. You have to tell me what it is. But you're getting close. You're getting close. That's all I can say. Vihan, where are you? Come on. One more screen I'm opening.
तेजस, अरे तेजस,
Narendra Modi.
What? रेयांश ऐसे नहीं करते. रेयांश ऐसे नहीं करते. Yes, Varushka.
Is it the hand? Did you put the hand and there's something in the hand?
No. Vihan, if you want to
No,
give an
Varushka.
answer, you must come and sit in front of the screen. Don't raise your hand and then run away. Then I open your mic and you're not around. चलो चलो वापस आओ. Vihan, do you want to make a guess?
I wanted to tell that is this some football team or some football game?
Don't ask me. Tell me.
I'm
You
telling
ask me.
you.
I'm not supposed to say yes or no. You're supposed to guess. Chalo chalo.
Is this Manchester?
No, it is not. It is not. It is not. No asking people around. Kids, no asking people around. This is grade 2.
I haven't asked anyone.
Good. If you haven't. I'm
I
just telling
raised my
not to.
hands. I raised my hands for 4 minutes, but no one even opened my mic.
I opened your mic, baby. But every time I opened your mic, you were not at your seat. Chalo, let's move on. Let's focus on the answer. Let's focus on the answer. Anybody with the answer? इसके आगे अब मुझे
मैम
पूरा स्क्रीन खोलना
तेजस,
पड़ेगा.
तेजस बता रहा है मैम.
एक मिनट, I'll go to Tejas and then I'll have to come to Vihan. First it's Tejas. Yes, Tejas.
Ma'am, it is Indian team logo.
अरे but which
One
game?
Indian team logo for what? India
Ah,
has 1 minute. India has team for cricket, for archery, for
football,
kabaddi,
hockey.
for hockey, for football, for many things. ये किस चीज का टीम है? Indian team.
It is of cricket Indian team.
Indian
Virat
cricket team का
Kohli.
इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम का लोगो है क्या? इसको स्पेसिफिक
Yes,
एक
I
नाम
know.
है. इसका एक स्पेसिफिक नाम है. वो नाम क्या है? ठीक है, you've come very close to it, but give me the actual name. इतना पास आ गए हो तो अब तो पूरा नाम देना बनता है.
It is like what we
Okay.
tell it
Now
is
I'm going to ask. Now I'm
star.
Now I'm going to go to Vihan.
And it is a star. Because it looks say some Indian, I am thinking, and it has a star, so I am thinking it's some police.
No, Vihan. No. Tejas has guessed it very, very close. I'm looking for the full name.
Ma'am, I see where there's BOAR. I see something of D. So I think it's Indian. India, ma'am. Gold India. It's in gold. This only, ma'am.
This only, ma'am. But where is the name, ma'am? No name.
I don't know the name.
This
But
Indian
it is
cricket team logo.
This.
This is the logo for the Board of Control for Cricket in India.
I told the board India also, ma'am.
But where is the full name? Can I just say TP and say, oh, that was Tejas Patil, but I said TP. No, I have to give the full name now.
इसीलिए मैम मैंने पहले कहा था तेजस को पता है, सबसे ज्यादा क्रिकेट वही खेलता है.
Nice one. Children, you know what? I'm going to tell you to do something. Do it along with me. Open up your palm. Everybody, open out your palm like this. Stretch your hand. Stretch your hand. Open up your palm and stretch your hand. On the opposite shoulder. Put it on the opposite shoulder. Pat your back. Pat your backs.
For Khelo
Excellent
India.
work.
For
You
Khelo
did
India.
excellent work. Completely praiseworthy. Okay. You all have done a wonderful job. It is not easy to identify these logos, especially Indian logos. Okay. Many of us really don't pay attention to it. But from now, I want each one of you to wear binoculars and walk around when you go anywhere. सिर्फ burger, pizza खा के वापस घर पे नहीं आते. Go around, look for shop logos. Look, even if you're going to Shoppers Stop, even if you're going to Max, even if you're going to a sports shop, see उनका logo क्या है. हर एक product का अपना logo होता है. 1 minute, Maya, wait. हर एक product का अपना logo होता है. What is the meaning of a logo? Logo is nothing but a small picture. जो picture देखते साथ ही तुम्हें पता चलेगा इस चीज का product क्या है. What is the item? जैसे क्रिकेट का लोगो वो देखते साथ ही पता चला रही है तो क्रिकेट है. करेक्ट. यू सॉ द इंडियन रेलवे, उसमें लिखा है इंडियन रेल, वो देखते साथ ही पता चलता है दिस इज टू डू विथ इंडियन रेल्स. करेक्ट. यस और नो? यू सॉ दैट लायन व्हिच हैज ऑल द स्पैनर एंड स्क्रूज एंड एवरीथिंग ऑन इट, वो देखते साथ ही पता चलता है दिस मीन्स मेक इन इंडिया, लायन, make in India, right? 1 minute, children. I'll give you all turn to talk. That is why when you are going around, अपने इंडिया का क्या लोगो है ये तो पता करना पड़ेगा ना. प्ले स्टोर पता है, गूगल पता है, मैकडी पता है, मेक इन इंडिया पता नहीं है, खेलो इंडिया पता नहीं है, इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम पता नहीं है, इंडियन फुटबॉल लोगो पता नहीं है. What is this? Not fair. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. Okay? We are proud of being an Indian. We are proud to live in India. We must know what India does. Correct? Now I'm going to open mic. Rajvi wanted to say something. Yes, Rajvi. Then I'll go to Maya.
Yes, Dad, you were telling so like how we do the classes on the Zoom. So we got with the Zoom logo that this is Zoom and this is YouTube and WhatsApp like this.
Yes, you will know all those logos because you are seeing it every day. Abhi Zoom you know because every day you are seeing that morning and evening, right? Then you also know couple of others of them. That's because you're seeing them every day. Correct? But you must also see a lot of things that belong to India. Indian logos जानना बहुत जरूरी है because these are things that Indian government is doing for the future of India. Yes, Reyansh.
What does BOCFCII spell?
BOCFCII. It must be an acronym for something. It must be a short form for something. I don't know.
Yeah, it's for the board of cricket team wala India wala.
That's BCCI. It's called BCCI. Okay. All right. Wait, Reyansh. Now I need to move on. Maya wants to say something. Yes, Maya. Tell me.
I wanted to tell that I've sometimes gone to I've gone to some places. I see many things. I have seen logos. I've seen like Samsung. I've seen Domino's, McD's, all these logos from all pizza shops.
You must also start looking out for. You must also start looking out for logos that you see around Indian walls. You will see Swachh Bharat is a logo that is put around the walls on India. Across the road walls, तुम्हें Swachh Bharat का logo दिखेगा. Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao. You will see that logo also around when you walk around. Okay. You will also see the logo of Skill India, Make in India. आप तुम जहां भी इसको देखोगे तुम्हें हमेशा के लिए याद रहेगा ये सब. Correct? Chalo, let's move on to our next class. I have taken up 2 of your lectures today because you all wanted me to. Yes, Rajvi, bolo. Rajvi, bolo.
That when I was going with my papa somewhere, I saw so many pictures on the wall like Swachh Bharat and the school girls. You know.
Good. You must be observant. आपसे कहीं भी जाओगे ना, सिर्फ खाना पीना करके मत आना. चारों तरफ देखना. अगर खाने जा रहे हो तो शॉप का पूरा नाम देखो, स्पेलिंग समझो. उसका छोटा सा एक पिक्चर होगा. वो पिक्चर उसका लोगो है. हमेशा हर शॉप का एक लोगो होता है. हमेशा किधर भी जाओगे. Okay? Yes, Tejas, you want to say something? Children, I need to close my class now. Yes, Tejas, bolo. Nothing. Oh, okay. Relax, Reyansh.
Bye,
Relax.
sir. Bye, ma'am.
Yes, Reyansh, bolo.
My little cousin baby said her first word yesterday, and she's only 6 months.
That's so sweet, but we are talking about logos here. Let's keep the topic related. Yes, Vihan.
I want to tell, let's do 60 more of what we did.
Yeah.
I think we'll do one thing. We'll do something like this. We will have one class on Saturday. Okay? और तुमको जितना देर तक बैठ के लोगो गेम खेलना है अपन खेलते रहेंगे. ठीक है?
Okay. But you will not let us join. We know you will not do it. And
Have we done it till today? No, na. I told you, right? 24 hours का 25 hours बनाने में एक स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है, राइट? अभी तुमने एक और मुझे आइडिया दिया, तो अब मैं सोचूंगी कि एग्जाम्स के बाद एक सैटरडे रखते हैं वेकेशन टाइम में, जब हम सब मिलेंगे और सिर्फ लोगो गेम खेलेंगे.
okay. I will be in hotel actually.
अरे wherever you are, अब ऑनलाइन क्लास है तो you can be in Timbuktu also. We can still do the class.
In my vacations, I will be in hotel, and I will do in the hotel.
You be anywhere you want. You want to join the class? Just tell me. You can just join with ID. Chalo, kids, we need to wrap up the class.
No, let's do the class. Logo. I want to say that. Look, even I have a logo on this. Look,
Yes, that W means Wilson. W
No,
means
it's M.
Wilson.
Ma'am, it's M. It's written M.
Yes, that W means Wilson. Chalo, children, I need to go. Bye. I'm going to inform the host. Bye.
Bye.
Ma'am, let's do for 100 more minutes, and let's do 40 sums of and 40
Wait.
of it.
Oi. Shh. Logo time. We finished our logo time. We used logo class and we used PT class also. Now, shh. No more. Now you all go look around for more logos.
we
Next class
are
I'll come with
doing
tougher
that.
ones.